Welcome back. You're with Money, 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 and this is the equity market special. We've been getting lots of queries on what funds, what sort of stocks to be in. So, for instance, Santha Kumar wrote in to us. He's from Coimbatore. He's a professional who's 34 years old. He wants to invest 30,000 rupees for the long term. Is looking out for a good stock. So, Prakash, that brings me to you. Please help out our viewers who want to get into stocks.
Yes. So you know, that's the excitement portfolio, not necessarily the money-making one, but. I think given the high levels that we are at, as I said, look for stocks that have not yet participated. And infrastructure, we spoke about infrastructure, L&T Infra is what Hemant was referring to. One of the companies that I really love out there in terms of its positioning is JKIL.
J. Kumar
Infrastructure. Now, that's, if you see the balance sheet's pretty healthy, under-leveraged as compared to the other players. And it specializes in urban infrastructure.
Yeah.
Now, with the kind of mandate that the NDA has got, and particularly the BJP-ruled states are going to set an example for good governance as a run-up to 2019, I think urban infrastructure will undergo a sea change. There's one company that will participate very well, and I think will get re-rated. So the EPS might move about 6 months later, but the PE will start moving first.
The stock's already run up from its August lows of some 100 odd. I mean, I think it's what?
So August has been a distant past now. But today, if you see, it's kind of just taking off, and we in Bombay see more of it because it's all over the place.
Every second project,
yes,
you see those boards.
But that is the area of specialization because infrastructure is going to be more urban in orientation. So you could look and buy on dips. I'm not saying go out and buy it tomorrow.
Okay.
You'll get chances in the next week, 10 days, whatever. So you have so many events coming up, and I'm sure the equity markets are very favorable when you see such an eventful week in front of you.
Okay, so that's one. Then the other two ideas?
Yeah, the other area that I feel that's promising enough is within this pharma space, there's been a lot of negativity that's brought things down. Notwithstanding the headwinds on the US markets, I think there's one company called Unichem, which is really much more insulated from the competitive forces on the generic side and especially the cost pressures. That's one stock that's kind of not yet participated the way a Cipla and a Sun Pharma and Lupin have. Probably it's smaller, of course, it's much smaller. So you could look at that very actively.
Your third pick, NFL. This stock has skyrocketed in the last few weeks. Yeah. What is happening?
No, so, if the government is going to go and implement the doubling of farm income and rural upliftment and stuff like that, you will have to do something in fertilizers. And the big paradigm shift there is going to be the DBT. Now, what's happening is the DBT is a big gorilla in the room. Somebody needs to bell the cat, talk about tough things. With UP under the belt, I think they have a better chance to do it. And now the BJP states, ruled states are about 54% of our population, which is good. So you can implement these tough measures, see the results in 2 years. Fertilizers will do well. NFL, as you said, is one of the best plays there. Buy it on dips. Again, as I said, don't buy at elevated levels, but keep these, make a list and keep them in your pocket when you sit with a broker, recall these names and buy them.
All right, gentlemen, thank you so much for joining in and helping out our viewers with ideas both on mutual funds as well as stocks. That's it on this equity special. Thank you for being with us on Money, Money, Money.